What's up, guys? This is Will of Will H Tech Review back with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Amazon Fire HD10 2019 edition. So I picked this up from Amazon. Right now they have it on sale for $109.99. I will leave a link in the description if you want to pick it up. It's also on Amazon for that same price, so they have knocked $40 off the price. And at this price, I think this is a good tablet to pick up. This is a 10.1 inch display tablet, 32 gigabytes of storage. You can also get it in 64. I picked up the white one, but it comes in 3 other colors. You can get the black. You can get the twilight blue and also the plum. So these are the different colors here. That's plum. This is the twilight blue, and then of course your black one, and 32 gigabytes of storage. Now you can get this also without the ads, but I've had these in the past and the ads don't really bother me at all. So some of the details of this product: watch your favorite movies on Amazon Fire HD10, 6300 milliamp battery, 32 gigabytes of storage or 64. 2 gigabytes of RAM, which is not that great. Octa-core 2.0 gigahertz processor. And like I said, it has an HD resolution, 10.1 inch display. Let's look at some more features here. The display is 1920 by 1200. This has the MT8183 processor, which is supposed to be a little bit faster than the older one. This is running Fire OS 7, has Amazon Alexa, lithium-ion polymer battery, and I activated my other tablet over there. Both cameras are 2 megapixel, the front and the rear. Do have a micro SD card slot, and looks to have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack and Type-C charger, so that is great. They went from USB to Type-C, which is awesome. So I'll leave this link in the description. You guys can go over and check out some more specs on it. Let's get into the packaging. They always have this bright orange color. And here's the front of the package. As you can see, I got that white one this time. I wanted something a little different. I've been picking these up for a long time. I've had the 8-inch. I've got 2 of the 7-inch here. This is the 2019 edition of the 7-inch right here. And this is the previous one. And now we're on to this. So it's got Alexa, as I said. Here are some of those specs on the back of it that I just talked about there. It does have Dolby Atmos. I didn't see that. Dual band AC Wi-Fi. Micro SD card up to 512 megabytes. And there are the specs. If you guys want to pause that and read it. But let's get into the box here. And let's see how you go about doing that. Hopefully I don't need a knife. Now they make it easy. Just pull tab and you're in. Pull everything out at one time. That is it. Box over to the side. So the tablet there, let's put it to the side for now. So you get your Type-C to Type-A cable. And I'm really glad they changed it over to Type-C. You got your A word. I don't want to trigger mine there. Things to try. Give you a little pamphlet here. Watch, read, and connect. And that's the pamphlet you get. Safety, warranty, information, all that good stuff. And then you get your charging brick. 9 watts. 9 watts charging brick. Right there. Does have Amazon on it. And here's the star of the show. Tablet here. And the white one. That clean white. So there it is. You guys can see it's got that camera, 2 megapixel camera on the rear. On the top, power button, Type-C microphone, Type-C charging port, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, volume up and down, dual speakers, power button at the top, at the bottom. There isn't anything. Another 2 megapixel camera. And then the back, you got that logo and that's it. That's it, guys. 10.1 inch display. Let's go ahead and power it on. So there's the power. After I get this booted up and connected, I'll come right back, guys. Okay, guys, so we're back in. Here's the tablet. I have it booted up. I didn't do a restore or anything, so this doesn't have anything on it, no more than what you get out the box. As you can see, you have a lot of Amazon stuff here. You got the Amazon App Store, Amazon Prime Video. You got your Kindle books here. Just a lot of stuff here. You can see. So with the Amazon tablets, I like the interface on this. If you're into the Prime, then this is a great tablet to have. I also like this white too, and also, so on this is what they recommend for you on this page here. At the top, you got your home page, which we were just on. These are my books, so I can easily get to my books that I have downloaded. Videos, if I want to watch some Prime videos, I can do that. If I want to search for some games or apps, right there, very easy to navigate. If I want to do some shopping, I can jump right in. These are Audible books. As you can see, I do have one right there that I downloaded in Audible, and then you got your newsstand here. So I really like the way Amazon tablets look. This is not a powerful tablet like your iPads or Samsung tablets, but this is one you can just leave laying about in different rooms and have it there just for easy access to look something up or to read a book or watch some videos or something. So here's the drop down menu now. It has changed a little bit, and I'll do a comparison between this one and the old one in another video. But this is what the drop down looks like now. A whole lot better. And then here's the menu now. So this is totally different as well. So out of the box, let's check the storage here. Only got the 32 gigabyte version. So out of the 32 gigabytes, I have 25.22 free. So not too bad, I guess. Does have a slot for a micro SD card, and that's what I normally throw in mine. But I do like the white one, but here it is in comparison to my old one. So this is the 2017 edition, and this thing has been beat up, man. I don't put it in a case, anything like that, but I've definitely had some good use out of this, got some good use out of it, and it's been pretty productive in a lot of ways. And you'd be surprised what this little tablet can do for the specs on it. But there are the two together, and everything looks pretty much the same here. Yeah, except for you got Type-C now on the charging. And then if you come around this side, there's the power button, the bottom of it. And then this side, you got your two speakers. So pretty much look the same as far as the display and the physical look of it. Let's go ahead and get back in this one. So there it is. And the displays are, I think, the same. I'll do a comparison on these. So that's what it looks like against the older one here. Just for a size comparison here, here's my Tab S6. Let's get the display on here. So that's a 10.1. This is a 10.5. So there are the two side by side. You can see the Tab S6 is definitely a shorter device, as you guys can see, but just about the same width. Now this one has the big bezels there on the side of it, and here it is against my iPad Pro 11-inch. So I just picked this one up not too long ago. There it is. So this has an 11-inch display compared to a 10-inch, 10.1. You guys can see the iPad is a whole lot wider. This one's a little bit taller. So, all right, guys, that is my unboxing of the Fire HD10 2019 edition. I will come back with some more videos on this. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H, and I'm out.